Okay, let's talk about pomegranate juice. What's all the hype really about? So, is it actually good for you? I mean, we all know that bold, ruby red flavor is fantastic. But the real story here isn't the taste, it's about some powerful plant compounds hiding inside. Yep, I'm talking about polyphenol power. So, what exactly are they? Think of them as natural compounds that act like your body's own personal defense squad. And pomegranates have this amazing power trio. Each one has a really unique role to play. Look, lots of fruits have antioxidants, but pomegranates have these super rare and active punicalagins. And this isn't some new trend. We're talking about a true ancient wellness secret. For thousands of years, it's been a symbol of vitality, traveling from ancient Persia worldwide. Okay, so how can you make this part of your daily routine? It's actually pretty easy. You can add it to smoothies, yogurt, even salad dressing. The real key is just consistency. And it can be as simple as this, just adding a little splash to your water in the morning. But what's the best way to take it? Juice, a concentrate, or maybe a capsule? Well, it really just depends on your lifestyle. Concentrate is great for flavor, capsules for convenience. So what's the big takeaway? Pomegranate is a delicious way to get more fruit-based nutrition. It's so much more than a drink. It's a simple way to get fruit-based antioxidants every single day. So it leaves just one question. What small, flavorful ritual could you start for your own wellness?